Do you know how your bottled water is treated before it reaches your hands? You might think it's just tap water in a fancy package, but the process is much more intricate and rigorous. It all starts with the source. Bottled water companies source their water from natural springs, wells, or even municipal supplies. The quality of the source is crucial, and it undergoes regular testing to ensure it meets strict safety standards. The water undergoes a thorough filtration process. This is where impurities, such as sediment, organic matter, and certain minerals, are removed. Filtration can involve multiple steps, including sand filtration, carbon filtration, and microfiltration, ensuring that the water is as pure as possible. In many cases, reverse osmosis is used. This process forces water through a semi-permeable membrane to remove dissolved salts, minerals, and other contaminants. It's one of the most effective ways to purify water, but not all bottled waters go through this process, only those labeled as purified or deionized. After filtration, the water is disinfected to kill any remaining bacteria, viruses, or pathogens. Most companies use ozonation, which involves infusing the water with ozone gas, a powerful oxidizer. Some also use ultraviolet UV light, which is highly effective at neutralizing harmful microorganisms without altering the water's taste or chemical composition. For certain types of bottled water, minerals are added back in after filtration. These could be naturally occurring minerals like calcium, magnesium, or potassium. These minerals not only improve the taste, but can also provide health benefits. Quality control is a critical step. Each batch of water is rigorously tested for contaminants and to ensure it meets or exceeds regulatory standards. This ensures that what you're drinking is not only safe, but of the highest quality. Finally, the treated water is bottled in a controlled environment. The bottles are sanitized before filling, and the entire process, from filling to sealing, is automated to prevent contamination. After bottling, the water is stored and transported under specific conditions to maintain its purity and freshness. So the next time you grab a bottle of water, remember the complex and careful process that ensures it's not just refreshing but also safe and pure. It's more than just water in a bottle. It's a product of advanced technology and rigorous quality control. That's the journey of your bottled water. Stay hydrated, stay informed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into water treatment and safety.